your boy JB, Mr. Major Man, Mr. 504 Jesus from the Big Easy here to welcome y'all back to the showroom. And yes, it is still raining, but I'm gonna still get y'all this vlog and this review. It ain't stopping nothing. As y'all can see, you got the NOLA fitted cap on, Nike shirt, red and black plants on. Look at that. Playoff 13 lows, rain shoes. But yeah, gotta pick up. So I'll be doing a review for y'all, and ain't nothing stop, bro. Ain't nothing stop. But the news really hyping this shit up like it was gonna be detriment. Like if y'all been keeping up with the news or anything, y'all see clearly that it's not that wet down here. As y'all can see, not that wet, no water. Been making national headlines about this goddamn supposed to be hurricane. But let's go in my room and we gonna see, you dig?
She said, why you gonna say that? I said, because Joel has an addiction.
It was shoes, but I don't have an addiction.
Okay.
I don't have an addiction to shoes.
It got to have a check on it.
It don't have to have a check. It can have stripes.
It don't have some kind of check on it.
It can have stripes on it. I don't have an addiction. All right. So yes, we're dealing with hurricanes or tropical storm, tropical depression, Barry, whoever the hell he wants to be, it doesn't really matter. But at the end of the day, I still gotta give y'all the reviews. I still gotta give y'all the looks, impressions, and things of that manner. And yes, I'm currently at work right now. They got me standing in one of the rooms. But for the most part, it is what it is. But let's just go ahead and get into it. As y'all can see, we got the Nike box right here. And let's go ahead and get into the box. As y'all can see, we got the Nike Air Max 1 sketch to shelf. Size 11, style code is CJ4286. Color code 101. Retail on these was $150. Bump up in price compared to any other Air Max 1. And if y'all been living under the rock, and y'all see it had the QR code scan on there. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Both of them out. And they did something different. They actually got both shoes like individually wrapped, which is strange. But it is what it is. Ooh. Okay. Bam. The Air Max 1 Sketch 2 Shelf, aka the Tinker Air Max. So let's go ahead and get into the shoe. As y'all can see, it's taking a lot of cues from the original OG Air Max 1 red, the University red pair, which is the OG color. This is basically based off of the sketch drawing that Tinker did when they were originally designing the shoe. If you remember, the Pomado is actually the inspiration behind the air bubble because people want to see. So it showed how the technology worked in the shoe. But as y'all can see on the shoe, you got big window right there written on here, which is reference to this right here. You have the indentation holes that's right there as well. You have, what is that, pattern split, and I barely can read any of this right now. But yeah, it has all the pretty much the writing schematics of the of what they really wanted to base the shoe off. And on the shoe, as you can see, there was a brand that's not right here. I'll compare this to the OG Air Max 1. On the bottom, you also have a sketch of the actual bottom of the shoe right here, and it's translucent, but this is how the sole would have looked had coming from the sketch itself. And the red is actually done in the scribble format. If you can really pay attention to the detail on that. Up here on the white is felt or something. I don't know what the hell it is. It doesn't feel like suede, but it feels cheaper. But I mean, it is what it is. Let me see. Oh, also on the inside of the shoe, it has sketch property of Nike. Not for resale. I'll probably drop a video, another picture of that, so y'all get a clear glimpse of that. And it has Tinker Hatfield's signature on the back of the shoe. And it also has a date on there. Also has a date, and Nike Air is on the other shoe as well. Now, my personal opinion on the shoe, I think they do. I think they do for a shoe. I'm actually more of a fan of the white pair, the white and black pair that's coming out, and the black and white pair. They're both of those pairs, because those actually look like how a sketch is supposed to be done. But I mean, for the most part, both of these shoes are dope. Let me know in the comment below, did y'all cop, did y'all pass, did y'all feel these were worth it? Are they even, like, do you even think that it was even worth the energy to even go after these shoes? Oh yeah, I want to show y'all the Nike Air. The Nike on the inside of the shoe is also done in scribble as well, and also on the tongue tag as well. But yeah, I'm gonna do a comparison video of these shoes so y'all can get a better look of the differences between this and the original Air Max 1. But as always, man, I deeply appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on all my social media platforms if you haven't already. And as always, stay true, stay fly, stay blessed. And I am JC, baby. Y'all not in the show when y'all at my job, and we out. You did.